Hello everyone and welcome back. In this section of the course, we are going to see how we can use REST APIs provided by Azure Cognitive Search Services to create and manage indexes, load data to indexes, delete and modify data to your indexes, and also do querying on our data. So there are two types of APIs. Some management APIs are provided, which helps you manage your indexes, upload and modify data in it, and other APIs help you to search and query the data that you already have in your index. Now there is a standardized way of calling all these APIs, so they have to be called over HTTPS endpoint, and you have to provide a API version in URI, and this version has to be supported at the time of its usage. Now the URL, now the endpoint that we are going to use to execute all these requests are standardized as well. All you have to do is provide the search service name. So in our case it's property, and then .search.windows.net/indexes or document/searches if you're going to search it. So based on the operation you change the URI, and then of course the API version. So at the time of creation of this course, the API version which was supported is 2020-06-30. And of course, for authentication, you need to provide an API key in the headers. Now there are two types of API keys. The first one is the admin key, which you would generally use to create and manage your indexes, to do the management operations. And then a read-only query key that is not created by default, but you can always go back to your portal and create a query key for yourself. This is read-only. Now there's a link to our REST API documentation provided by Cognitive Search, so you can always refer to the documentation to get more details. In the next few lectures, we are going to see some of the examples for the use cases. We are going to start with our search API because we already have an index ready, so we are going to see how you can search your data in different ways using the search API. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.